What is going on, everyone? Platinum Beast coming at you with yet another video. Today we're going to be talking specifically about platinum breaking through $1,300 spot price. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so platinum today, President's Day if you're in the US, has broken through $1,300 an ounce spot price. Platinum is looking extremely bullish. Now let me explain why I say that. So platinum usually moves up and down. It has its up and downs just like silver and gold. And it moves in different ways and things like that as far as spot price. But with platinum being at over $1,300 an ounce, we are seeing a bull run on platinum. Now, my platinum stack is pretty heavy. I would say a lot heavier than probably most people's. And I gotta say, I'm glad I picked up when I did. Now, one thing I want to talk about is the difference between the movement in platinum at the current time and the movement in times past. So in times past, we've seen platinum go up over $1,000 an ounce spot, and we've also seen it drop back below $1,000 an ounce spot, and it just kind of goes up and down just like silver and gold. Usually. A lot of times it moves differently than silver and gold, but it still usually goes up and down, slowly over time increasing, just like silver and gold. But right now we are in a bull run, and with that bull run, we are seeing higher numbers on spot price, especially with the 1,300 break today, than we have seen in years past, many recent years past. I don't know the exact number of years it has been since it's been at $1,300, but I'm going to guess it's about 6 or 7. And that's quite a while to go below 1,300, and now we're back up at it. So what do I think about all of this? Well, what I think about this is a bull run, like I said. So what that means is I personally think it's going to continue going up for the short term. And what do I mean by short term? It might be the rest of the year, okay? I'm not talking short term as in a few weeks, but I think we will see platinum increase for the rest of the year, whether small, whether big. I think it will just continue going up for the rest of the year. It will hit a ceiling at some point. I don't know what that is. I don't know if the ceiling is when it matches gold. I'm telling you right now, if it ever does end up matching gold, I will probably personally trade just a little bit of my stack. Now, I'm super long-term on platinum, but I would like to increase my gold holdings. So if it were to match gold in overall price, I would probably trade a little bit of the platinum for the gold metal. Now, I would still hold on to quite a bit of it because the bull run we're seeing right now, it could end at matching gold, right? It could go head-to-head with gold and just sit at $1,800, $1,900 an ounce for quite a while, or it could do the same thing that palladium and rhodium have done, which is gone to astronomical heights over time. And so if it did that, then we would really be wishing we didn't trade so much. But I still am going to trade a little bit if it matches gold, but I'm not going to trade the vast majority. Mostly it would be just generic bars that I'm trading. Most of the coins I would just continue holding on to. Now, if we get up into palladium and rhodium levels, it might end up being a little bit more harder to sell because palladium, it's not so hard to sell, but premiums start to really shrink because palladium is just such a high value asset that most people just want to pay spot. They don't want to fool around with premiums and things like that, and I understand that. But overall, platinum being at $1,300 an ounce is great. Do I think it will continue going up? Yes. Yes, I do. I'm seeing a very bullish trend across the board. We've gone from 1,000 to 1,100 to 1,150 to 1,200 to 1,250 to 1,300 in a relatively short period of time. Now, we recently just broke over the $1,000 threshold. At the end of last year, around November, December time, we just broke over 1,000 at the very end of last year. And so now that we're at 1,300, that's a $300 increase within not even 3 months. I mean, probably just about 3 months, to be honest. And $100 a month, you can't really beat that. I haven't seen that with gold or silver across the board. Now, I know there's craziness going on with silver and premiums and supplies and things like that, so those two could take off as well. I'm not talking about those in this video. I'm talking specifically about platinum and where I think it goes. And I think it continues to go up. I'm not just saying that because I'm the platinum beast. I'm saying that because I am seeing a trend where it is going to go up. And one key note I want to mention is a lot of the news outlets last year were speculating that there was going to be a very big deficit on supply, on world supply of platinum. And that could potentially be what's causing the run right now, is the supply is shrinking as time goes on. And so because of that, it's getting harder and harder to mine it and find it and things of that nature. So the price is going up because this is an industrial metal and it has industrial uses that cannot easily be replaced by any substitutes. There are not very many substitutes for platinum. The only substitutes would be palladium and rhodium, and they are both more expensive than platinum, as well as the other platinum group metals. Most of the platinum group metals are more expensive than platinum in and of itself. So because of that, the world can't really afford to run out of this metal. However, the world only has a certain amount of this metal available for mining. Once we mine all the platinum in the world, there will be no more. And it's estimated there's around 300 million ounces of platinum. Not even enough to give every single living, breathing human an ounce. That's not the same with gold and silver. So supply creates much larger movements in the platinum field than it does gold and silver. When there's a deficit, the price jumps $50, not a couple bucks for silver, or percentage-wise, smaller percentage for gold. When gold goes up, it goes up a smaller percentage. Now, gold is worth more, so it could still be $50 that it's going up, but at the same time, that overall percentage of that overall spot price is smaller than platinum, which is lower in overall value. So, yeah, guys, I just kind of wanted to talk today about $1,300 platinum spot price. Just kind of wanted to give my thoughts on it. Let me know what your thoughts are on the platinum spot price. Are you still buying? Are you planning on buying? Are you planning on holding? Are you selling right now? I wouldn't really suggest selling right now. I would try and suggest to wait until at least $1,500 spot to sell. That's not to say I'm going to sell at that rate, but that's a nice little profit margin. So if you want to secure your profits, I say go ahead. But I would definitely wait till $1,500 unless an emergency arises. And with all that being said, guys, I appreciate all of my loyal followers. Good times are ahead of us for us platinum stackers. And for any of you who don't have platinum, there's still a little bit of time for you to jump on board if you want to get in on this metal before it continues to rise. So thank you to all my loyal followers. Thank you to any new people who stop by the channel. Be sure to hit that like button down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. And with all that being said, guys, until next time, we will see you.